Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are visiting the channel for the first time, you are welcome. In today's video, I am going to decorate my entryway in a peachy white theme. I'll be adding objects which represents peace and purity. Without much ado, let's go into the video. If you have not subscribed to the channel before, please consider subscribing. I have gathered some decor elements so that the entryway decor gets a contemporary, simple and clean look. The entryway floating shelves are cleaned and are ready for decorating. I wanted the people to feel the positive energy when entering our home. So in the first floating shelf, I am adding a pair of white doves. Dove symbolizes peace and purity. Adding a peachy orange vase with some greenery and some mini pots to give a earthy look. On the other side of the shelf, adding a Buddha head planter. Buddha head with its serene smile symbolizes peacefulness. Adding this beautiful carved wooden stand at the back so that it gives a cohesive look when you place objects in the front. Adding 4 succulents in a clay pot. Buddha head planter and the clay pots will forge an atmosphere that will quiet the mind and is the best Feng Shui ornament for entryway decor. Let's see the overview of what we have placed in the first floating shelf. There are many positive attributes associated with the white doves and the Buddha head. Moving on to the second floating shelf, diagonally I am going to replicate the same vineyard, the Buddha head, the terracotta pot with succulents and the wooden stool with the carvings as the background. On the other side of the shelf, placing this iron stand. I don't know the actual use of it, but I am going to use this as a plant stand. This is a watercolor painting done by me. Tried it for the first time. Let's move on to decorate the entryway table. Placing this beautiful topiary in a terracotta pot. I am someone who is very lazy to remove these price tags. In the space below the entryway table, adding this wooden stand made of upcycled wood and adding a bamboo lampshade and few plants. In the entryway bench, going to add some throw pillows. You can see the beautiful beaded embroidery work of the throw pillow and the hydrangea applique design. Now let's take a quick look on what we have decorated so far. I hope this has turned out into a unique entryway decor and you all would have enjoyed decorating with me. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, share with friends and encourage them to subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in another video.